In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Stripe account effectively, focusing specifically on accessing support resources. Whether you're new to using Stripe or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you make the most out of the support options available to you. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in any task you need to complete. So let's get started. First, you'll want to load up your preferred web browser and head over to your Stripe account. You can do this by entering stripe.com in the address bar and logging in with your credentials. Make sure that you're entering your information in a secure environment, and remember not to share your login details with anyone to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard, a hub for all your financial activity within the platform. Now, the next step is to locate the Help option in the main menu. This is generally located at the top or side panel, depending on your view settings. Clicking Help will open up a drop-down menu where you should see the Support Center listed. Go ahead and click on that. Navigating to the Support Center is crucial because it provides a wide array of resources designed to resolve any issues you might be experiencing or help you learn more about the functionalities Stripe offers. It's like your springboard to expert advice, tailored troubleshooting, and extensive documentation that covers a myriad of potential queries and educational material. At this point, if you're following along using a test account, there might be some limitations when it comes to accessing certain support features. This is to drive home the point that interacting with a fully enabled account might give you different results. However, under normal circumstances, you would proceed to the Support Team section once inside the Support Center. This can be particularly useful when you need personalized assistance that might relate to specific complexities within your transactions or account setup. And that's actually all there is to it. With those simple steps, you've accessed the key resources that Stripe offers to help you out when you need it most. Remember, the Support Center is there to guide you and is filled with an extensive variety of articles, contact points, and tools. This means the more familiar you become, the quicker and more efficiently you'll be able to solve any issues and carry on with ease. So, next time you find yourself a bit lost within your Stripe account or in need of expert advice, you've got a straightforward path to follow right within your account. No complex searching needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to revisit it whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy navigating through Stripe.